High above Earth, two astronauts are stranded. Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore are stuck on the International Space Station. Their mission was supposed to be short. They were to return home on Boeing Starliner spacecraft. However, technical issues have thrown their plans into disarray. Starliner was meant to be a new era for American space travel. It promised to ferry astronauts to and from the ISS, but the spacecraft has been plagued with problems. Now, Williams and Wilmore are left in limbo, their return date uncertain. The situation is a stark reminder of the risks of space travel. It highlights the importance of reliable spacecraft. The astronauts remain optimistic, continuing their work on the ISS. But the uncertainty of their situation weighs heavily. The world watches and waits, hoping for a swift and safe return for Williams and Wilmore. Their plight underscores the challenges and the triumphs of human space exploration. Boeing's Starliner spacecraft was designed to be a game-changer. It was supposed to be a safe and reliable way to get astronauts to and from the ISS. However, the program has been plagued by technical difficulties from the start. One of the most significant problems has been with the spacecraft's software. During an uncrewed test flight in 2019, Starliner suffered a software glitch. This malfunction prevented the spacecraft from reaching the ISS. It was forced to return to Earth prematurely. Then came the issues with the spacecraft's propulsion system. During a planned launch attempt in 2021, engineers discovered a problem with the valves in Starliner's propulsion system. This malfunction forced another postponement of the mission, further delaying Starliner's debut. The most recent setback involves leaks in the spacecraft's fuel system. These leaks have raised serious concerns about the safety of the spacecraft. Boeing is working hard to address these issues, but the repeated setbacks have eroded confidence in the Starliner program. The question now is whether Boeing can overcome these challenges and deliver a safe and reliable spacecraft for NASA. As Boeing struggles to resolve the issues with Starliner, NASA has turned to Elon Musk's SpaceX for a potential solution. SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft has already proven itself a capable and reliable vehicle for human spaceflight. Crew Dragon has successfully completed multiple missions to the ISS, transporting astronauts safely to and from the orbiting laboratory. The spacecraft's reusable design and advanced capabilities have made it a valuable asset for NASA. NASA is now considering using Crew Dragon to bring Williams and Wilmore back to Earth. This would involve coordinating with SpaceX's existing launch schedule and ensuring the necessary preparations are made for the rescue mission. The situation highlights the importance of having multiple options for human spaceflight. SpaceX's success with Crew Dragon provides NASA with a viable alternative while Boeing works to resolve the issues with Starliner. Adding to the urgency of the situation is astronaut Sunita Williams' health. Williams has reportedly been experiencing vision problems, a known risk associated with prolonged exposure to microgravity. While not uncommon for astronauts on extended missions, Williams' condition adds another layer of complexity to the decision-making process regarding the astronaut's return. The longer Williams remains in space, the greater the potential impact on her health. NASA medical experts are closely monitoring Williams' condition. They are working to determine the best course of action to ensure her safe return. The health of the astronauts is paramount, and NASA will not compromise on their well-being. The situation underscores the challenges of human spaceflight and the importance of having contingency plans in place. Section 5. The stakes are high safety concerns in spaceflight. The ongoing situation with Boeing's Starliner spacecraft serves as a stark reminder of the inherent risks involved in human spaceflight. With lives at stake, safety is paramount in every aspect of space exploration. The technical issues that have plagued Starliner highlight the complexity of designing, building, and operating spacecraft capable of safely transporting humans to and from space. Even minor malfunctions can have catastrophic consequences in the harsh environment of space. NASA has rigorous safety protocols and stringent standards that must be met for any spacecraft carrying humans. These standards are designed to minimize risks and ensure the well-being of astronauts. The agency's decision to delay Starliner's crewed missions until the technical issues are resolved demonstrates its commitment to safety. Section 6. NASA's dilemma: choosing the best course of action. NASA now faces a difficult decision: continue to wait for Boeing to resolve the issues with Starliner or turn to SpaceX's Crew Dragon for a rescue mission. Each option carries its own set of risks and considerations. Continuing with Starliner would mean relying on Boeing to identify and fix the technical problems that have plagued the spacecraft. While Boeing is working diligently to address these issues, there is no guarantee that they will be resolved quickly or effectively. Choosing SpaceX's Crew Dragon, on the other hand, would mean deviating from the original plan and relying on a commercial partner for a critical mission. While SpaceX has a proven track record with Crew Dragon, any mission to space carries inherent risks. NASA must carefully weigh the potential risks and benefits of each option, taking into account the technical challenges, the astronauts' health, and the overall success of the mission. Section 7. SpaceX's proven track record, a reliable partner for NASA. SpaceX has emerged as a major player in the field of human spaceflight. The company's commitment to innovation and its ability to develop reliable spacecraft quickly have made it a valuable partner for NASA. SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft has already demonstrated its capabilities, successfully transporting astronauts to and from the ISS on multiple occasions. The spacecraft's reusable design and advanced technology make it a cost-effective and efficient option for human spaceflight. SpaceX's success can be attributed in part to its iterative design process and its willingness to take risks. The company's engineers are constantly working to improve their spacecraft, learning from both successes and failures. As NASA considers its options for the rescue mission, SpaceX's proven track record and its commitment to safety make Crew Dragon a strong contender. Section 8. Boeing's uncertain future. Starliner's fate hangs in the balance. The ongoing issues with Boeing's Starliner spacecraft have cast a shadow over the program's future. The repeated setbacks and technical challenges have raised questions about Boeing's ability to deliver a safe and reliable spacecraft for NASA. Boeing is facing increasing pressure to resolve the issues with Starliner. The company's reputation and its future in human spaceflight are at stake. If Boeing cannot regain NASA's confidence, the Starliner program could face cancellation. Boeing is investing significant resources in trying to fix the problems with Starliner. The company is conducting thorough investigations, redesigning components, and implementing rigorous testing procedures. Whether these efforts will be enough to save the program remains to be seen. The coming months will be critical for Boeing as it works to determine the viability of its Starliner spacecraft. Section 9. The importance of redundancy: lessons learned from the crisis. The situation with Boeing's Starliner and the potential need for a rescue mission highlight the crucial importance of redundancy in human spaceflight. Having multiple options and backup plans is essential for ensuring the safety of astronauts and the success of missions. In the past, NASA relied solely on its own spacecraft and infrastructure for human spaceflight. However, the rise of commercial space companies like SpaceX has provided NASA with alternative options and increased flexibility. The ability to turn to a commercial partner like SpaceX in a time of need demonstrates the value of having multiple providers for human spaceflight services. This redundancy can help to mitigate risks, reduce costs, and ensure that missions can proceed even in the face of unforeseen challenges. The current situation serves as a valuable lesson for the future of human space exploration. Section 10. The future of human spaceflight. Collaboration and competition. The ongoing situation with Boeing's Starliner and SpaceX's potential role in a rescue mission underscores the evolving landscape of human spaceflight. We are entering a new era of collaboration and competition in space exploration. NASA is no longer the sole player in human spaceflight. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are playing an increasingly important role, developing innovative technologies and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This new era of collaboration and competition is driving innovation and reducing costs, making space exploration more accessible than ever before. As we look to the future of human spaceflight, it is clear that collaboration between government agencies and private companies will be essential for pushing the boundaries of exploration and expanding humanity's reach into the cosmos. Section 11. Beyond the horizon. expanding humanity's reach into the cosmos. The ongoing drama in space, with astronauts stranded and spacecraft facing technical difficulties, reminds us of the challenges and rewards of human space exploration. It highlights the fragility and resilience of human ambition as we strive to reach beyond our home planet. Despite setbacks and risks, the human spirit of exploration remains undeterred. We are driven by curiosity to explore the unknown and extend humanity's presence in the universe. The challenges in space exploration force us to innovate and collaborate. They inspire us to dream big and achieve ambitious goals. As we look beyond the horizon, we envision a future where humanity explores the cosmos and unlocks its secrets.